distinguished dignitaries of the program, the chief patron of the 1 week online FTP and Moodle learning management system, and Honorable Vice Chancellor Sri Jayesh Ranjan IAS Garu, the important person from IIT Bombay, Professor M. Kannan, Principal Investigator, Spoken Tutorial Project, IIT Bombay, my esteemed colleagues from the University and College, Professor B. Balu Naik, the Chairman of the program and Principal of J&H College of Engineering, Sultanpur, the Vice Principal and Convener of the program, Dr. V. Venkateshwar Reddy Garu, and the coordinator of this 1 week online FTP, Professor M. Shailaja, other esteemed colleagues from the college and university, and the entire team of this 1 week online FTP program, and delegates, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to you all. I extend a warm welcome to all the delegates on behalf of the university, on behalf of J&H College of Engineering, Sultanpur, and on my own behalf. I am extremely happy to note that a 1 week online FTP is being organized on an important topic, Moodle learning management system, which is need of the hour as we have the COVID pandemic. In one way, it has motivated us to take up the online platforms and have the online education and adopt blended learning paradigm. I'm happy to know that which is very important to see that the online learning process goes smoothly through the effective and useful learning management system. If you look at any learning management system, it should have certain features like ease of use. It should be comfortably utilized. If you look at some of the statistics, around 44% of companies using LMS are thinking about replacing them. So that shows the importance of various features, particularly ease of use. Then integration is another important feature, content management, support for mobile learning, then support for blended learning, then testing and assessment process, then reporting and tracking, security, then customization and branding, and support for e-commerce. So these are some of the important features that any learning management system should possess. Particularly when it comes to the Moodle is very popularly known because of its open source platform that it has got, and the kind of flexible features also being provided by Moodle LMS. It has got surprised to know that it has got more than 68 million users worldwide for all types of organizations, and it is basically ideal for compliance training, online course development, competency-based training and management, onboard training, workplace safety training, product and service launches, and hiring and recruitment and interview processes. So for all these processes, Moodle platform can be effectively utilized. Compared to many other learning management systems, it has got certain advantages. Particularly, it has a very good user-friendly interface, then ease of integration possible, then content management can be quite flexible with this LMS, and ease of access is also quite comfortable. Then it has got number of blended learning features which supports the online features and offline learning as well, and recording, assessing of offline events along with the onlines is also possible. And then you have assessment and training, assessment and testing, and it can be possible to have the support of pre-test and post-test as a part of the learning process. That can also be possible. And then you have the reporting and tracking. Then security is another important feature which is supported because of these open source features that it has got. Then you also see its e-commerce functionality, which is very effective in terms of the any payments have to be done. Then those things can also be supported by this LMS. Then another important feature is about it has got more than 500 plugins, which is supported by the global community of learners, managers, and administrators, which will help us to make more flexible, more comfortable, and easy to have updations from time to time. So that's how this Moodle LMS is a very popular and easy to use learning management system. And I'm sure for these 6 days, the activities and the video lectures which are being supported by IIT Bombay, all the delegates will definitely have wonderful sessions, because it has got extensive lectures on the overview of Moodle, then blocks in admin dashboard, then use roles in Moodle, formatting courses, and quizzes also possible in that. I'm sure all the delegates will have wonderful sessions through video lectures. I once again appreciate the efforts made by Professor Kannan, who has been kind enough to collaborate with JNTH. We have a number of such programs. Earlier also there was a program with the JNTH College of Engineering Sultanpur. There was also a program organized in collaboration with the JNTH College of Engineering Jagatyal. And we also look forward to organize many more such programs in collaboration with IIT Bombay. And I once again congratulate the entire team of JNTH College of Engineering Sultanpur, particularly the principal, vice principal, and Professor Shailaja, who have been coordinating nicely to see that these FTPs are regularly conducted despite the COVID pandemic. And all the delegates will definitely have wonderful sessions and have happy learning. And I also thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.